G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great property, Unit 14, 66 Winchelsea Street in the popular bayside suburb of Pialba. There is a bit to see, let's go and take a look around. This home will be ideal for those looking to make the sea change and secure a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. And the astute investor will know Hervey Bay has experienced strong population growth and has a high rental demand and low vacancy rate. This lovely modern townhouse is conveniently located only minutes away from the Hervey Bay Golf Course, Esplanade and beach, along with the convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities only a short drive away, including Stockland and Pialba Place shopping centres, Bunnings, schools, University of the Sunshine Coast, TAFE medical centres, hospitals, cafes and restaurants. Upon entering, you will immediately note this lovely home has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished with a fusion of classic lines and modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. The galley style kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes new bench tops with ample storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a new oven and a new dishwasher. There is an open plan dining and living area off the kitchen with new remote ceiling fan which seamlessly connects with the north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle ducted air conditioning which flows throughout this home for year-round comfort. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms with reverse cycle ducted air conditioning and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a new remote ceiling fan, a built-in wardrobe, plus a lavish ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a skylight plus a bath, vanity, shower and a toilet. The European style laundry is located under the stairs. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with built-in storage and workbench plus a remote door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. The seller is not testing the market and has committed to purchasing another property and is calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity, call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.